Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating a minimal server for AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript and XML, in Python is a straightforward process. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up a basic server using Python and the Flask web framework. Flask is a lightweight web framework that makes it easy to create web applications, including AJAX endpoints. Here's a step-by-step guide to implementing a minimal server for AJAX in Python. Step 1. Install Flask. Before you can start building your server, you need to install Flask. You can install Flask using pip, the Python package manager. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Step 2. Create a Python file. Create a Python file, example app.py, for your Flask application. This file will contain the code for your server. Step 3. Write the server code. Open your app.py file and write the following code to create a minimal Flask server. In this code. Step 4. Create an HTML page with JavaScript. Next, create an HTML file, example index.html, with a form that sends an AJAX request to your server. Here's a simple HTML and JavaScript example. In this HTML file. Step 5. Run the Flask application. Save your HTML file, index.html, and your Python file, app.py. Open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory containing these files, and run the Flask application. Your Flask server should start and be accessible at http://127.0.0.1:5000/. Open a web browser and visit this URL to see your AJAX-enabled web application in action. That's it. You've created a minimal server for handling AJAX requests in Python using Flask. You can expand upon this example by adding more server-side logic and enhancing the client-side JavaScript to create dynamic web applications. ChatGPT.